This is question 7 from exercise 18.4 in Project Maths 2. We have to complete the following table, which gives certain information about various hemispheres. A hemisphere is one half of a sphere, and a sphere is just a ball, a basic, completely smooth and circular around ball. So a hemisphere is going to be half of that, which means that the volume of it is going to be half the volume of a full sphere. And the curved surface area is going to be half the curved surface area of a full sphere. So we can actually work out these formula here. So if the volume of a full sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, then half of that would be 1/2 times 4/3 pi r cubed, which means our volume is going to be equal to 2/3 pi r cubed. And if our curved surface area for a full sphere is equal to 4 pi r squared, then half of that is going to be the curved surface area for our hemisphere, so it's going to be 2 pi r squared. So that's going to be our curved surface area. And then the flat surface area is just going to be pi r squared. So that's the last bit for a curved surface area that we're going to need, or for surface area. It'll be pi r squared, like that. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to go through each of these and do them out. So for volume is going to be 2/3 times pi. And for this we're going to use the pi button on our calculator, not an approximation like 22/7 or 3.14. We use the pi button on our calculator and we'll round at the end. So it's going to be 2/3 times pi times the radius cubed, so times 15 cubed. And when we put that straight into our calculator, we're going to get 7,068.543. So that is 7,068.543, and that is going to be millimeters cubed, like that. So that's our volume. Our curved surface area is going to be equal to 2 pi r squared. So it's going to be 2 times pi times the radius squared, like that, which is going to be equal to, when we put this into our calculator, 1413.717. 1413.717, and that is going to be millimeters squared. For the last bit, we need to get the total surface areas. We've got to get the area of the flat circular bit on top here, and that bit's going to be pi r squared, like that. In order to get that, we're just going to go straight into our calculator. So it's going to be pi multiplied by 15 squared, which is equal to 706.858. And now we're just going to add the flat surface area to the curved surface area, and that will give us our total surface area. So it's 1,413.717 plus 706.858. And when you add that up, you're going to get 2,120.575, like that. And that is going to be in millimeters squared. And that is that.